We'll discuss about some basic Python program. So we have 10 programs. We'll go through almost all programs. Okay, so I will open a website for testing. So the website I opened is online-python.com. Okay, so I opened this website. I will close all the websites. Okay, so how you will get this website? Go to Google, then type online Python editor. Online Python editor. Okay, so when you click this one, you will get online Python ID editor or compiler. So no need to install Python software for running like Anaconda. No need. Okay, just go for online Python editor. You will get online-python.com. Same I open here. Okay, so I'll open my first program, program one. Okay, so I just put the program copy paste. Then I will tell you what's the program. Okay, just copy this one, put into the Python editor. Well, here I'll paste. Okay, see here I am declaring two variables a and b, both are integer numbers, and printing a and b. Just put double quotes for that labeling. Okay, print a equal to value of a, b equal to value of b. Then print these lines, okay, or hyphens. Then I am just adding a and b, so equal to a plus b. So just print add text equal to z, value of z will come. Then I will print a b c all together. Okay, then we have first name last name, and print my name is first name last name. Okay, do like this. Then now let me run the program. Okay, so see here I gave already a equal to 10, b equal to 20, so I got 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Okay, so it's already printed a equal to 10, b equal to 20. See this one, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Then print some hyphens, then add c equal to a plus b, add equal to c, that is 330. Then again hyphen, then print a b b c. So a equal to 10, b equal to 20 is equal to 30. Then they are adding 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20 equal to 30, this line. Again hyphen, then I am already declared no two strings, my first name and last name. So I is printing, it's printing like print my name is first name last name. That's why my name is Rajesh RK. First program done. Okay, easy one. Second one, I'm inputting first name. I'm not going to enter the string directly. I'm going to read it from the user. Okay, so I put first name, I remove the hyphen. Okay, first name last name I will read from the keyboard. Then I print first name and last name on the screen. After that I will read integer number from the keyboard and print the sum. See here, when you are reading the string, just give input function. Inside that, put a message, enter the first name. But if I am reading integer number, so inside is input and enter the value, but outside we have to put integer, like we put type specifier, no? Okay, so data conversion like that. Okay, so I'll just copy this one, go with the same editor. Okay, I'll remove that one and put this one. Okay, so let's see how the output is working. First, it will ask enter the first name. Is again, maybe I'll put my son's name, Adam. My last name. So his last name is also my name, Adav Rajesh. Okay. So his name is printed as C. Input of enter the first name. I give my son's name, first name. Then I give his last name. Okay. Then it's printed. My name is Adav Rajesh. Okay. Then put what happened. This hyphen is also printed. Now it will ask you enter the integer value A and B. Okay. Enter the integer value. I put 100. B I will put say 200, and I need to get sum equal to 100 plus 200. I need 300. See, sum equal to 300. This is done. Okay. Now third program, n equal to integer input of enter the range value for I in range of n, print of I plus 1. Let it print, then I will tell you the code. Okay, how it works. I am going to give the value, say 3, n value 3. So what it is printing? Okay, it's printing 1, 2, 3. How it is printing? Okay, so n I give int of input of enter the value means I am reading an input from keyboard that is converted to number. Whatever you read in Python will be string. I should convert it into number by using integer. Okay, so I give the value 3. So n is now 3 integer number. Now for I in range of n. So that means I am going to use a for loop. Range of n means whatever value you have in n, the range of n will have 0 to n minus 1. So it will be like range of n means 0, 1, 2. Okay. So I in 0, I in that range. Okay. So I will be first 0. So what I printed, print I plus 1. So 0 will become 1. Now again I will become 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now again I will become 2. So print I plus 1, 2 plus 1. Okay, so it will go up to 4 I in range of n. Range of n means I told you n is 3 means range of n will be 0, 1 and 2. It will not reach 3. N minus 1 it will go, right? 0 to 2. So every number, so I equal to 0 first start with, then print I plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. Then I will become 1, then 1 plus 1, 2. When I become 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Then it come out because for loop is like that. Okay, we put the range like that. That is done. Now next question, program 4, same range example. Okay, so just I'll put that one, then I'll tell you what is the output we are getting here. Okay, say I will give this same 3. Okay, when I give 3, so count equal to integer of input of enter the number. So I will enter number 3, and so whatever you enter will be string, and int will convert it into number. That's why it is now 3 becomes integer 3. So count now has 3. Now see what happened for I in range of 3. I told you range of 3 means it will go from 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I is now 0. Print of count. Okay, so already count was 3, right? So 3 will be printed. Now count equal to count minus 1. Count will become 2. Now I is now after 0 I will become 1. Okay, again count will be 2. Again count will be count minus 1. Now count will become 1 and I will be 0, 1, 2. So in that again I will print count. So count will be 1. Now will be count equal to count minus 1, 0. So it will not go beyond that. Okay, so it will come out. This is what the program range. Range means range of a number means you will have 0 to that number minus 1. If I give 3 as count means range of count will be 0, 1, 2. If I give count 5 means range of count will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will not take the exact count number. It will go up from 0 up to count minus 1 or whatever variable number variable minus 1. Okay, go for program 5. Also the same, which one, example for count. Okay, so here just execute. Okay, how many times the loop should execute? Okay, so I put n equal to say 5. So until the n is greater than 0, this loop will be executed. Okay, count equal to integer of input of enter number. So I will put a counter. Okay, it will read from the user, then I in range of count. So as I told you, if count is 5 means I will start from 0 to 4. Print of count, count minus 1, and this will be how many times it will print based on the number of the value we give in the end, the outer loop. Okay, just I will give some number. Let's see the output. If I give 3 here, if I give 4 here, okay, that 4, 3, 2, 1 it will try, it will be printed 3 times. See here, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again it will ask another number, so I will go for 2. Okay, 2 and 1. Again it will ask because I gave any 3, no, so it will give Three times you have the option. Okay, like this. The outer one, how many times you want to execute. In the inner loop, the same count what we use, right? So if I give 5, it will be 0 to 4. Like that, how many times it will be asking based on the outer loop. Okay. Then go for the next one, 6. See here, biggest among three numbers. Okay. So here I will just copy paste the code. Then I will tell you what is the explanation for that one. Okay. So I am reading A, B, C, and I need the values in integer. That's why I put integer data type. Okay. Then if A greater than B and A greater than C, this is a logical operation. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, both are true means A is big. L if B is greater than C, then I put B is big. Else C is the biggest one. Okay, this is the coding for finding biggest among three numbers. Okay, so I will run this. First they will ask you enter three numbers, right? A, B, C. So A I will put 10, B I will put say 45, C I will put say 23. So I need to get B is the highest one, right? B is big because A is 10, B is 45. So first A is greater than B, no. A is greater than C, yes. We need both, and means both conditions should be satisfied. So but here the both conditions are not satisfied, only one is satisfied, A greater than C, but the other one is not satisfied, so it will not execute this line because here we need and means both should be true, then only this output will come. Okay, now if A B greater than C, yes, B is 45, C is 23, so B is greater than C. Okay, so I'll run this. I think session was expired, so I'll do the value again. So A is 10, I think, so 20, I think. B is I give I think 45, C I give I think 15. Now check, I will get B is big. Okay, A was 10, right? So 10 greater than 45, no. Sorry, A 20, 20 greater than 45, no. But 20 is greater than 15, C, yes. But we need AND operation. We have AND operation. AND operation means both conditions should be satisfied. So here both are not satisfied, only one satisfied, so it will come out. Then L if B greater than C, B is 45, C is 15, S greater than C, so B is the bigger one. Else no need of B. Okay, not of third part. Okay, now go for the next one, seventh one. This is actually function declaration. Okay, functions. So I'll tell you what's that. Function means a set of code which you are written in a separate block. Okay, there are two things: function declaration, function definition, and function calling. Okay, see here, I will call this display function, but this display function is declared or defined in some other place. See here, define display, I have print welcome to Utasinas. Inside that I am calling display 2. Display 2 will print welcome to IT department. So this is the main calling area, display. When I call this, it will go to the first display definition. Okay, there I am calling another function, display 2. So it will print welcome to IT. See what happens now. First will be welcome to UTAS, because when I call display, first welcome to UTAS Sinas will be printed. Inside that I have display 2. There I have definition welcome to IT department. So this is again one function inside the definition of another function. Okay, one function called inside the definition of another function. Right, now program 8, get data. See, I am getting the input first name last name printing, okay, through a function. I just call a function get data. That get data has two statements for reading first name last name. Inside that get data function, I am calling another function print data. That print data is defined here. See, when I call print data, it will go to the definition of print data function. There I am printing first name last name. So I'm calling one function get data. Inside that I am reading inputs. Inside that definition for get data, I call another function. That function it will be printing first name last name finally. Okay, it's like a nested calling, right? Like calling many functions Okay, one inside another one, like the same display, right? So I'll delete this one. So delete this one. I'll put this one. So I'm calling get data. When I go into the definition of get data, I have read first name last name through the keyboard. Inside that I call another function. In that definition of that function I have my name, first name, last name printed. So just see it. They'll ask you first name last name, so this time I'll give my daughter's name Gayatri. Okay, and again last name also name Rajesh. Okay, and I will get my name Gayatri Rajesh. Okay, now next one, program 9. It's actually a list. Okay, so I'll take this first. I will copy the program, then I will tell you what's the function of list or output of list. Okay, so department DPT is a list name. Inside that square bracket I put three values: IT, engineering, ELC. Whatever you put in double quotes because it's string. Number means just put 1 comma 2 comma 3, but here it is string, so you put double quotes: IT, engineering, ELC. When I print this one, I will get all the values together. This because an array or list. Now index value, every value has an index. So this one is department of C 0, this department of 1, department of 2. When I print DPT of 0, IT will print. When I put DPT of 1, ENGG will be printed. When I put DPT of 2, ELC will be printed. This is actually a printed message. Okay, index value 0 is, this value will come here. Okay, now I want to print from the reverse. So from the reverse I want to print ELC first. So that is 0 1 2 from left to right, but from right to left if you print, the first index value should be -1. This is -1, -2, -3. Okay, the department of minus BPT -1 means this will be printed. Okay, this is -2 minus, you will see that. Now print of DPT of 0 comma 0 to 2. That means when I give 0 colon 2 means it will print from 0 to 1 only. Second one will not be printed, like range 1, it will be printing one lesser value. Okay, so less than 1, like 0 to 1, it will not print the second one. That means it will print IT and engineering. It will not print 0 the ELC because it is department of DPT of 0 colon 2 means starting value, then that end value will be one lesser than what is written here. Okay, then for I in DPT, print of I, it will print all the value. Okay, 0 1 2 any IT engineering ELC. Let's see this. Okay, first thing, when I put DPT, it will print IT ENG ELC all together. Then when I put index value 0, it will be DPT 0 any IT, DPT1 engineering, DPT2 ELC. Now index value -1, so -1 is this one, so last one is -1 from right to left ELC. Then print DPT 0 to 2. So here, see here, they will print only ITENG, they will not print ELC because up to 2 means 0 and 1, second one will not print. Okay, then for I in DPT, print of I, now I will print all. DPT has ITENG ELC. Now let's try some modification. See, I'll go for -3. That means I need to print -1, -2, -3 IT. Okay, then I want to print 0 up to 3. That means I will print 0 1 2. Okay, let's see what is output. See here, department of, okay, I forgot to put this one -3. Okay, this one I will run again now. Remaining things we printed. Now we'll start with print of deep index of -3. See, index of -3 is IT. So as I told you, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. Okay. Then what about DPT of 0 to 3? 0, 1, 2. That's why IT, INGG, ELC. Okay, understood? Reem, Hamid and Miss Dina. 9 also done, I think. 9 done. Now the last one, 10th one. So this is here we are not going to enter the value directly, the variables will be taken via user input, okay, via keyboard. That's the only difference. So just I'll copy paste the program here. Okay, see here, I declare an empty array or empty list. Then I am reading how many values to be entered. Okay, in it is integer format. Okay, now for I in range of n, so I am going to call the for loop, and I am going to enter the values inside the variable value. Okay, I think I am going to enter the whatever value I'm entering, maybe integer or string, whatever. Okay, I'm entering the values, and I use a function print department or variable list variable dot append of value. That means whatever values you read store into the variable value, it will be appended added to the list dept. Now I print the dept all together, then I print one by one. Okay, let's see here what's happening. How many values I put? Say 5. What are the values? Say I will go with say values 10, 20. Okay, it was coming 0. Okay, no problem, 0. Then next is 30, next is 40, next is 40. Okay, now what happened? See, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 also. Okay, 50. Now see the values, how the um, list dept empty list was declared. Now it is having 10, 0, 30, 40, 50. It is now taken as string because by default Python will read as string only. We have to convert into integer by typing int. Okay, so here I give just 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I didn't mention that int, so it is taken as string. And the print dept, it will print the whole list. Okay, if I put 4 I in dept, they will print one by one. So 10, 0, 30, 40, 50. Let's try the same with the integer number. For integer number, I want to put int bracket, not this bracket, not this capital, small letter int bracket, input of. Let's try. I think this one input of the value. Okay, input of. Let's try this one. Now I give say 5 values. First one 10, second one 20, third one 30, fourth one say 66, 55, then 75. Now let us see the output. 10, 20, 30, 50. Now it's coming as integer number, not the string. So there is no single quote, double quote now. It's now integer. So all the numbers printed now. Okay. These are the sample based basic programs. Okay. So you can go through that and prepare yourself. Okay. Bye. All the best.